Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
Deep in the forest, so quiet and tall, the trees stand together, sturdy and small. The oak is white, with branches spread wide, concealed in my shade. He says with pride. The birch wears darkest white though, and tells stories from long ago. The willow sweeps by the bubbling stream, whisper and secrets like a dream. Birds sing songs from their tree to high, and squirrels leap as the breeze floats by. Whispers softly from flower to flower, while trees stand tall. When the wind blows, the branches creak, and the earth feels listen, the trees might speak. At night, under stars so shiny and bright, the trees stand still in the pale moonlight. They dream of summer. So next time you walk through foresight, look for the trees with wonder inside. Say, hello.
I hope you enjoyed this calm and magical forest poem. Let me know if you like any changes. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.